再来关心美国总统大选第一场辩论会，伫咧台湾时间昨结束。并连任的现任美国总统拜登表现，让人认为较差对手 Trump。拜登就要承认，伊伫辩论会表现无好，但是强调未退出选战。
前总统川普伫咧辩论结束了，离北到维吉尼亚州进行造势活动时阵，受到支持者热烈的欢迎。伊形容家己伫咧这边的辩论表现是一大胜利。
We had a big victory against a man that really is looking to destroy our country. He's the worst. He's the most corrupt, the most incompetent president in the history of our country.
美国总统拜登伫咧辩论中表现无啥好，会后伊伫咧参加北卡罗来纳州的造势场合，也承认家己表现无好。但是伊有信心选赢川普，并无退选的拍算。
I don't walk as easy as I used to. I don't speak as smoothly as I used to. I don't debate as well as I used to. But I know what I do know. I know how to tell the truth. I know right from wrong. And I know how to do this job.
根据 CNN 的调查，看这边辩论的选民的即时看法，有67%的人认为川普表现较好。赢过认为拜登表现较好的33%。美国共和党籍的众议员强生也讲，民主党目前一定正惊吓。有消息讲，辩论结果和民主党内这么传出想要换候选人的声音，也过有民主党的议员出来补贴。政治分析家也讲，这么讲要换人选，还阁伤早。
It's a poor night, but you have to put it in context of a much larger election that has many months to go. Not even early voting is underway now.
华府帝国布鲁金斯研究院的资深研究学者卡马克讲，民主党虽然也未提名拜登，不过伊伫咧党内差不多无其他竞争对手，除非拜登伫咧提名进前。或者是伫咧8月芝加哥的民主党全国代表大会内面，家己自行退选。若无民主党应该也是会照着这么现有的选举剧本继续行落去，并且尽全力伫咧后一边的辩论，会让赢一边转来。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。